Do elephants really grieve? The shocking truth about their deep emotions. Hey there, animal adventurers and curious cats. Welcome to FactSpark, where we dig up the most mind-blowing truths about the natural world. Ever looked into the soulful eyes of your pet and thought, are they feeling what I'm feeling? Or maybe, do they really get me? Well, today, we're taking a wild safari into the hearts and minds of Earth's gentle giants, the magnificent elephant. These colossal creatures aren't just famous for their impressive size and super long trunks. They're also known for their wisdom and family bonds so tight they could give a super glue commercial a run for its money. But here's the million-dollar question. Do these extraordinary beings actually grieve? And what do their mysterious actions tell us about the secret emotional lives they lead? Unpacking the emotional world of elephants isn't just fascinating. It's a powerful, heartwarming reminder of the incredible, intricate tapestry of life on our planet. So, buckle up, because what we're about to uncover might just make your jaw drop. Picture this. A bustling elephant herd, usually full of trumpets and playful rumbles, suddenly goes silent. They gather, almost reverently, around a fallen friend. Their massive bodies are still. Their trunks, usually busy grabbing snacks, gently, almost tenderly explore. This isn't just a quick sniff. It's a profound, silent vigil. Scientists have watched elephants approach and examine the bones of their own kind, even ancient dusty ones, touching them with their trunks and feet. Sometimes they even form a protective circle, like a silent honor guard. And here's the truly wild part. They often start with the skull, as if trying to figure out who it is. But get this, they don't do this special bone-sniffing dance for just any old animal bones. When a beloved matriarch or a tiny calf passes, the whole family might try to lift the deceased, letting out loud, mournful calls. Some little calves have even been seen looking like they're weeping. And elephant moms? They've been known to stay by their lost babies for days, refusing to leave, as if their hearts are just too broken to move on. These consistent, almost ritualistic behaviors, especially the focused attention on their own kind's remains, scream deep emotion louder than any trumpet call. It's compelling evidence that elephants don't just notice death, they feel it. But wait, there's more. Beyond just interacting with the deceased, elephants sometimes act like they're hosting a very solemn, very leafy funeral. African forest elephants have been spotted covering their departed pals with branches and leaves, like they're tucking them into bed. And get this for a plot twist. Asian elephants have been observed burying their deceased calves in specific, almost chosen spots, like irrigation ditches in tea plantations. They'll even drag the little ones to these designated burial sites and carefully cover them with soil, sometimes leaving a tiny leg peeking out, like a little flag of remembrance. Indian Forest Service officers have documented these organized, ritualistic calf burials, all done without a single human telling them what to do. While moving a full-grown elephant is a bit like trying to parallel park a skyscraper, read impossible. The clear intention to care for their lost ones shines through. And in some truly wild tales, elephants have been known to remove tusks and other bones from their deceased companions, carrying them for miles. One incredible story even describes an elephant family returning a shoulder blade and leg bone to the exact spot where a family member had fallen, even after the body had been moved. These aren't just random acts. They're like a deliberate, respectful care package for the departed, a form of ritualized remembrance that makes you wonder, what are they thinking? The emotional intelligence of elephants isn't just about grief. It's a whole rainbow of feelings and social behaviors that could give us humans a run for our money. Elephants show clear signs of empathy, which researchers say is the simplest explanation for their many heartwarming actions. They're like the ultimate animal therapists, able to diagnose what another elephant is feeling or needing. And talk about altruistic. They're famous for helping other species, including us humans, when we're in a pickle. Remember the story of the elephant who refused to lower a log into a hole because a dog was napping inside? Or how they actively help injured elephants, even if they're not related. They're like the ultimate bodyguards, protecting young or hurt individuals in dangerous situations, sometimes even acting before a calf makes a peep of distress. They'll comfort distressed towels with gentle trunk caresses, like a warm hug. And if an elephant gets stuck in the mud, their buddies will literally push or pull them out. They've even been seen playing doctor, removing pesky foreign objects like darts or spears from another elephant's body. Elephants have one of the tightest social circles in the animal kingdom, forming friendships that last a lifetime. Losing a family member, especially the wise old matriarch, can totally devastate a group, sometimes leading to permanent disorganization. And get this, they even recognize themselves in a mirror. This rich, vibrant tapestry of emotions and social smarts strongly suggests that their grief isn't just a one-off sad moment, but a natural, profound part of an incredibly complex emotional world. So what does science have to say about all this emotional drama? While interpreting animal emotions can be as tricky as teaching a cat to fetch, research is increasingly giving us a solid, brainy reason for the elephant's advanced intelligence and deep feelings. Elephants are basically the Einsteins of the animal kingdom, often compared to dolphins and primates. Their brains weigh about 5 kilograms. That's 11 pounds, roughly 4 times bigger than a human brain, and packed with about 3 times the number of neurons. Their brains even have more complex folds than ours. And here's a mind-blowing detail. Their hippocampus, the brain part that's super important for emotions and memory, is especially large and wrinkly, just like ours. Scientists even think this might be why elephants can experience psychological flashbacks and symptoms similar to PTSD. Talk about deep feelings. Elephants also need the second highest amount of learning as they grow up, after humans, which means their amazing behaviors are more taught than just instinct. They're incredible problem solvers, can use tools like branches to swat flies or rocks to break fences, and can even mimic sounds, including human words. While scientists might still debate exactly how much elephants feel like us, one thing's for sure: their behavior flicks dramatically when a loss occurs, consistently showing strong signs of stress. The sheer volume of consistent, jaw-dropping observations strongly points to genuine, profound emotional responses, making us rethink everything we thought we knew about animal consciousness. So do elephants express grief? While we might never fully understand every thought and feeling swirling in an elephant's magnificent mind, the mountain of evidence from decades of observations and scientific detective work paints a crystal-clear picture. These incredible creatures possess emotional lives that are truly profound. From their silent, respectful vigils over fallen loved ones to their remarkable burial behaviors and their widespread acts of empathy and kindness, elephants display an astonishing depth of emotion. Elephants are like living reminders that the animal kingdom holds depths of feeling, intelligence, and social complexity that we're only just beginning to scratch the surface of. They challenge us to look beyond our own species and truly appreciate the rich inner lives of others. Understanding their grief isn't just fascinating, it's a powerful call to action. It urges us to treat these incredible beings with all the respect and compassion they deserve, and to support vital conservation efforts that ensure their majestic future on this amazing planet.